Hello, good morning, where do you came from? Perfect stranger I've been waiting on. Right place at the right time, nobody can tell me you ain't mine. Yeah, to be honest, I've never been this bold. Your personality, it warms my soul. All they ever do is lie to you, baby, tell them other niggas bye-bye. Yeah, come over here, so I know you love my accent.
Hi guys, welcome back to the Island family. It's your girl Maria.
And the island boy Afrik I.
So guys, right now I've just finished doing a little facial on Babe.
Yeah.
Just giving him a cleanse. And basically I'm going to be putting a mask on his face, I should say. And he should leave it on there for about 20 to 25 minutes.
Okay.
Yeah, until it dries, and then he can wash it off.
Okay.
So guys, we're gonna do this now.
Yeah.
Hey, Mr. Bubba.
This little island.
What happened? Alright, so today guys, we went to family's house and we had a barbecue.
Yeah.
Babe got to try Argentinian food for the first time. Chicken, the way we cook our chicken and thing, and salads, heaps of salads.
I really enjoyed it, guys. It was nice.
Did you like it?
Yeah, and I get to meet Babe's sister and her niece and nephews, and yeah, so it was really good, Yeah.
Alright guys, so let's have a look how this thing looks like.
And we had our little karaoke. That was fun too.
Oh, so hang on, how do you... Oh, okay, yeah, we had a little karaoke.
Yeah.
And...
Does that work?
Oh, okay.
Is that like glue on my face now, babe?
No.
She doing it right?
I think so.
Hope we getting it right, guys.
I have no idea if I'm getting it right. You make sure you take your shirt off, change it when you finish. Guys, I have no idea, so we're just gonna go with it. Yeah, guys, so that's good. Baby enjoyed the food.
Yeah, it was nice. Nice little family get together. Celebrated her brother-in-law birthday and thing.
Oh yeah, happy birthday, bro.
Yeah, happy birthday to David,
Wish you all the best.
Yeah, man.
More life.
Definitely.
More success. It detoxes your face. Apply, relax, and wash off. Cleansing in and detoxifying.
Okay.
That's what it does. So, do you want any on your lip?
Uh-uh.
You sure?
Uh-huh.
You can't see.
What? You find a new toy now to beat my belly.
That's it. Open your eyes. It's fine. Alright guys, so we'll be back in 20 minutes.
You sure it's not going to get in my eye?
No, it won't get in your eye. Final result. Show me. No, it's not in your eye. Go on.
Oh my god, babe. What the... Babe, why the freak... Babe, I'm even scared of myself. Guys, I'm looking in the mirror. What the hell? Babe, I'm even scared of myself right now, babe.
Babe, go show my mum.
No.
Go show my mum. Take the camera with you. Go show my mum. Go show my mum. Go. What the hell did your daughter do to me?
Hello, Marta. Yeah. Where are you, at the back? Yeah. Oh. Oh. Oh, shoot. What did your daughter do to me?
What? What I did? Show me.
What did your daughter do to Okay, guys, so it's time to peel this thing off. And for some reason, I feel like this is gonna be painful. And this is supposed to be some kind of prank she's trying to pull on me. That's what I get from this. But now, if you didn't know, now you know.
Firstly, I want to say I love you.
Babe, don't bother the foolishness.
Why? Babe, just let me peel it off. Head on the side, please.
Oh, shit, that's painful. Ah, shoot, babe. That is painful, babe.
But let me take it off. Yeah, you can see. Hang on. Damn, guys, he didn't even feel it. That was a big epic fail.
What fail about it?
It was supposed to be really hard to get off your face, and you were supposed. My bad. And you were supposed to like scream in pain. Jesus, it's all good. Let's just say it was a facial.
What's up, beautiful people?
What's up, people?
Yeah, guys. This is our first official date night in Australia. You see it. So we had plenty of date nights in Jamaica, but this one, basically, we're going to the movie, right?
Yeah.
To the movie.
Going to the movies,
Yeah.
guys.
And this is our second time.
Our second time
Yeah.
in all our relationships.
Yeah.
Going to the movies.
Yeah.
Now, question.
What question?
Babe thinks that it's not mandatory and there's nothing says it states when you're going out on a date night that you can fall asleep. That you can fall asleep.
You can. I mean, you can. You know?
Last time we went out on date night.
But remember, the last time we went out on date night, guys, we watched a movie called Dr. Sleep. That's when it just came out, right? And remember, that movie is like probably 2.5 hours long. And I think that movie got the right name because it movie literally make us want to sleep. Even though I probably slept more, but literally that movie, if you can recall, babe, it was boring. Nothing about that movie was great.
Yeah, okay, fair enough. The movie was crap.
Yeah.
But let's hope this movie today.
Yeah, that one here look exciting.
Looks good and we're both into the movie.
Yeah.
You understand? Because, babe, last time he was in and out of a doze. It looked like he had smoked a little something.
Nah.
You know? And he was like, oh, what's going on, babe?
That was a crazy night.
So today, he's not going to fall asleep. He can't fall asleep.
Nah.
Plus the chairs in this cinemas aren't that comfortable.
Okay, really? Why are they not comfortable? What the hell?
No, I'm just saying. They're comfortable, but still.
Yeah.
Plus he's got popcorn and chocolate, so you can't sleep.
Yeah, I won't be sleeping this time. You know, this is our second. And you guys might be wondering, where's Island? Well, Island is spending time with Grandma right now.
Yay!
You know?
That means time for us.
Yeah.
So that's going to be a vibe.
Yeah, man. So.
And we're excited, and I hope Island is on his best behavior.
Yeah.
Because Grandma hasn't seen him since May.
Yeah, long time.
So a while now.
Yeah.
So let's just fingers crossed.
Yeah.
We don't get a phone call half away.
Yeah, man.
We're like, he's being so naughty.
I'll tell you.
Yeah. So, you know, guys, it is what it is.
Yeah. So it's a beautiful evening.
Yeah.
You know, it's like sometime after 6 now. You see it, so yeah. Late night to the movies. Yeah,
sometime
guys.
after 6.
It's sometime after 6 now. What? It's 5:28. How many I think so? I don't even know where I am, man.
Guys,
what time is the movie?
So wait, I said to babe, do you want to catch the 9 p.m. movie, which is the last movie in
And
the
I'm not with
cinemas?
that.
And he was like, no, too tired.
But who wake the earliest?
Yeah, oh my gosh.
Sometimes
guys.
even 3, 4 o'clock I might always them there. So
He wakes up.
nobody
at
can
3
wake earlier
o'clock
than me.
every day.
That's me.
That's what he does.
Yeah.
And this morning actually, I don't know what was. I thought he was dreaming, but he actually was awake. And you were laughing at something.
I was laughing at
Yeah,
something.
you were like.
You sure I was on Instagram that time?
Oh, you might have
Because I
been.
was scrolling Instagram and I was watching some comedy videos.
Oh, were you? Ah,
Yeah.
that's what it was.
That's what.
Anyways, whatever.
Yeah.
That's what he does, and that's cool.
Yeah,
you know. But yeah. So long as he doesn't wake me up.
Yeah, so I mean, I believe tonight gonna be a great night, a great evening, you know.
Great
so,
evening.
Yeah.
We might get something to eat after, you know, the movie and stuff.
Yeah.
Depends how we feel.
Yeah, I don't remember the full name of the movie, but it's some. What's the Shang-Chi or Shang?
Chi Chang something.
Yeah, it's an Asian film, let's say. Yeah, but it looks pretty. It's.
I think it's Chucky Chang. Is it Jackie Chang or Chucky Chang?
No, I don't think he's in it.
Oh, really?
Throughout my life, the 10 rings gave our family power.
You are a product of all who came before you. You are your mother. And whether you like it or not, you are also your father.
I told my men they wouldn't be able to kill me if they tried.
It looks very exciting, you know, so yeah, that's what we're gonna see.
Fingers crossed, guys.
Yeah, so
Yeah, for real.
catch you guys. I mean, we can't film in there, you know, so we'll see you guys.
No, we can like film in there before the movie starts.
Yeah, that's what I mean, like we can't really
And there's
vlog
like,
in there.
okay, because like, let's bring it back a little bit, because when we were at in Jamaica, in
Yeah.
Kingston, the lady said to us we weren't allowed to film.
Yeah.
They literally have like bodyguards standing at the door. Now I don't know if many people that have been to the cinemas in Jamaica, but when we went, we had that, you know, people like the people standing at the door. So we were a little bit funny about filming inside, but we didn't really film much.
Yeah, we didn't really film.
We did film, but not much. It
Yeah.
was like a real quick.
Yeah, I
before the
think
movie
we filmed before the movie starts.
Yeah,
I think it's okay to film before it starts, but once it starts, I guess, you know, that's when you really
It's
have
like
to
a
turn off the
copyright
camera.
thing.
Yeah.
Okay.
Because they don't want their movie to be out there like
Alright.
free like that.
Oh, that's
like,
so cool, guys. So yeah, I'm excited. It's been a while.
yeah.
It's been a long minute.
Yeah, man, it's been a while.
It's been a while. So
Yeah.
I'm excited.
Me too, I swear.
Hi guys, we're at the movies.
Yeah, guys.
So it's about to start in 5 minutes. So we're just sort of like munching out. We've got our drink and our
Little snack.
popcorn.
And
It's a bit, yeah.
yeah.
I said babe's a bit small, but he was like, we're alright with that.
Yeah, guys. So,
It's all good.
Yeah,
We
man.
need another one, we'll get another one. But yeah, we're cool for now.
you guys.
Alright.
So we're gonna enjoy the evening, the
Yeah.
night.
I don't know if you can see babe.
I don't know. Either way,
If I
catch
feel
you
a bit
guys.
like my eyes are like,
Mm,
alright. Anyways, guys, we'll catch you after.
yeah.
Yeah.
Stay safe, stay blessed.